When you're looking to give your Windows 11 system a fresh start, the art of the factory reset is the way to go. Step 1. Accessing settings. First things first, let's head to the settings. You can do this by clicking on the Start menu and selecting the gear-shaped settings icon. Once you're in Settings, go to System and then Recovery. Step 2. Initiating factory reset. Now, you'll find the Reset this PC option. Click on it. You'll be presented with two options: Keep My Files and Remove Everything. For a true factory reset, select Remove Everything. Step 3. Confirmation and Reset. Windows will ask if you want to clean the drives thoroughly. Confirm your decision and the reset process will begin. This might take some time, so be patient. Step 4. Post-reset setup. Once the reset is complete, Windows will guide you through the initial setup, just like when you first got your device. Follow the prompts to configure your preferences. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to performing a factory reset on Windows 11. Remember, this process wipes everything, so ensure you've backed up essential data before diving in. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech insights. If you have questions or suggestions for future topics, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and happy computing!